Every dollar begins as a tightly regulated sheet of engineered cotton paper.
Nothing enters this facility without a security scan. Dollar paper isn't ordinary. It's designed to survive decades.
Automation accelerates every step of the process.
Raw paper is stored like treasure because it is.
Full traceability from start to finish. Precision moisture control guarantees long-lasting bills. The presses need to be spotless for flawless currency. The legendary dollar green is a chemical masterpiece.
Now the transformation begins.
Now the transformation begins. Each plate contains millions of microscopic details. Ink must be applied evenly across every inch of the sheet.
And here, the birth of currency begins.
Every portrait is printed with unmatched precision.
Once changed to counterfeit, the seal of authenticity enters the frame.
Perfect alignment means perfect currency. Every millimeter matters.
Every note is born with its own identity.
Invisible ink protects every single bill. The reverse side completes the artwork. Microprinting makes counterprinting nearly impossible. Over 20 cameras inspect each bill in milliseconds. Cutting accuracy is down to microns. Heat-set drying keeps the colors sharp and permanent. Imperfection doesn't leave this floor.
Perfect alignment is non-negotiable.
Approved batches move to the cutting zone. Human eyes still make final judgments. Every note is sorted according to grade inside this high-tech sorting arena. Stacks travel smoothly across automated tracks. Sheets turn into real currency. Even the edges matter. Every stack is verified down to the last bill. This is where thousands of freshly printed bills move across the factory floor like a river. Heavy lifting is fully automated, reducing human error and increasing precision. Every note is sorted according to grade inside this high-tech sorting arena. The air itself is engineered to protect the quality of every bill produced. Even with full automation, human mastery remains at the core of this operation.
Defective currency is instantly removed through this high-speed rejection line.
Before cutting, sheets are stored in temperature-controlled vaults for stabilization. These machines slice through stacks with unbelievable accuracy and speed. Every dollar is separated and guided into an organized workflow. Stacks form here with flawless consistency, never a misalignment.
Weight accuracy ensures every bundle meets Treasury standards.
Protective wrapping keeps each stack pristine during handling. Every second of production is tracked with real-time analytics. Security inks reveal themselves only under special UV systems. Every foot of this factory is monitored and guarded. Compression stabilizes each bundle for long-term storage. Smart diverters send every batch to its designated sector. These robotic loaders handle thousands of bundles safely and efficiently. Shrink wrapping seals the pallets for secure vault transport. The currency begins its journey to banks nationwide. Every shipment is escorted until it leaves the premises. From start to finish, the factory hums with efficiency and precision. Pallets are loaded into armored trucks for ultimate security. Each shipment is organized for precision distribution. Tracking every package ensures no bundle is lost in transit. Every bill is carefully packed for secure delivery. From local banks to interdollar exchanges, the dollar reaches the world. The currency begins its journey through everyday purchases. And just like that, the first bills enter public circulation. Retail banks prepare new currency for customer transactions. Fresh bills are loaded into ATM cassettes for public use. Banks sort the new bills before placing them into circulation. Smaller vans handle local-level bank distribution. Currency is routed to regional banks across the nation. Random bundles undergo deep authenticity testing. Inside the Federal Processing Hall, every case is checked before opening.
Last new currency reaches the Federal Reserve in circulation quotation.
Secure tunnels minimize exposure and maximize transport safety. Precision lifting systems move each case with perfect balance. Bank-ready cases ensure safe delivery to financial institutions. Before final release, auditors confirm shipment numbers to the smallest detail. Giant sorting rings divide millions of bills with clockwork precision. This smart lab calculates the safest and fastest distribution routes. Automated unloading keeps both currency and staff safe. Every pallet is re-authenticated before moving forward. Once transported, every shipment arrives at a secure national distribution hub. Automated unloading keeps both currency and staff safe.
From here, secured shipments travel to distribution centers across the nation.
Robotic loaders ensure every shipment is handled with flawless precision. Nothing leaves this facility until it passes the luxury inspection chamber. Before shipment, every load undergoes a strict verification ritual. Airlift tracks move currency fast, silent, and safely. Advanced surveillance keeps constant watch over every corner. Robotic handling ensures every bundle is positioned exactly where it belongs. Accessing the vault requires multiple layers of authentication. The journey ends in the hands of those who use it daily. The journey ends in the hands of those who use it daily. Every stack tells the story of innovation and care. A dedicated team brings precision, security, and excellence to every step. From factory floor to nationwide circulation, a seamless journey. Every bill is a masterpiece of engineering and security. Every step is part of a perfect, synchronized process. And finally, the currency reaches those who use it every day. Every path inside this facility leads toward the vault, the heart of the operation. Inside the vault, temperature and humidity are controlled with absolute precision. Every security feature protects the integrity of the currency. Nothing enters this facility without a security scan.
The scale of production is as impressive as its accuracy.
Behind every dollar, a team dedicated to excellence.
From raw material to finished product, every step is carefully crafted.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Your support means everything.
This video is educational and documentary purposes only. No content of issue or is a development, public